Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious bowl of salad. First, select your favorite greens, such as crisp romaine or a vibrant spring mix. It's crucial to wash and dry them thoroughly. Excess water can dilute your dressing and make your salad soggy. Gently tear or chop the greens into manageable, bite-sized pieces. This simple step ensures every forkful is enjoyable and easy to eat. A good base is the foundation of a great salad. Next, let's add some vibrant vegetables and satisfying protein. Think about bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, or shredded carrots for a burst of color and essential nutrients. For protein, grilled chicken, a handful of chickpeas, or a sliced hard-boiled egg can make your salad a complete meal. Remember to cut all your ingredients into similar, bite-sized pieces for a harmonious texture and flavor in every bite. Now for the exciting part, toppings and dressing. A sprinkle of toasted almonds, sunflower seeds, or crunchy croutons can add wonderful texture and flavor. When selecting a dressing, consider a light vinaigrette or a creamy ranch, ensuring it complements your chosen ingredients. It's best to add your dressing right before you're ready to eat. This prevents your greens from wilting and keeps your salad delightfully crisp. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently toss all your ingredients in a large bowl, ensuring the dressing evenly coats every leaf and topping. This step is key for a balanced flavor in each bite. Serve your beautiful, fresh salad immediately to enjoy its peak crispness and taste. For an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean after your culinary adventures, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade salad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.